I'm Tyler, I'm 12. This is the AYAMAYA ultralight backpacking tent. I'm going to show you how to set it up and take it down. A few of the features on it are the 2 vents on each side, some nice good long guy lines, and it's got the little attachment there.
Reflective cord and the tensioners on it. Beautiful.
Mm-hmm. And then it's got 2 doors, and since it's like a 2-man tent, you don't really want to be crawling over the other person in there, so you can each get out on your own side.
So we've got the fly on right now. Fly is pretty easy, just clips in. Let's go ahead and take a look inside.
Okay. So it's got this cover to protect the zipper so it doesn't get wrecked.
Keeps moisture out as well. Bugs are starting to come out up in the hills in Payson, Utah. It's beautiful up here. Lots of trees. Guys, so you roll back the door for the fly, back up for just a second. It's kind of cool because it gives you like that little bit of extra space, enough to keep your stuff dry. Still give you protection from the water. Okay, let's take a look inside.
Okay, so inside it's got the nice bathtub flooring that keeps out the moisture. It's got some tent pockets in there, doors on both sides, a light clip right here, and then it's got another set of these things to hold this door back, and on that side too.
Cool. So a lot of possibility, you know, without the fly on. A lot of ventilation, obviously, it's all screened. With the fly on, you've got protection from the weather. And then if you do need a little bit more ventilation, you've got the ventilation vents up here. Very nice.
Okay, setting up the tent. You want to unbuckle the straps and unzip it. Really easy to take out, and it's got right here, it's got instructions right there sewn on so that you don't have to worry about losing it, but it also comes with an instruction manual like that. Untie the rope.
Find them.
Okay, so the poles and the stakes come in 2 separate bags. I like that because in some they come in the same bag and it's hard to get the stakes out when you need them. So take out the poles. Come with this nice like octagon kind of. You take the poles, kind of just drop them, and then you stick them in like this.
So you got your helicopter propeller, right?
Yeah.
That's pretty awesome.
And then the 2 short sides are gonna go.
So how many is it? Was it 6? It's a hexagon then.
So
okay.
Hexagon.
Cool.
So you got your 6 sides, and you'll take on this. It's got a little thing at the end.
So it's more narrower and it's got a little
lip right there.
Like a little lip, yep. Notch,
and then
almost.
You stick that in this hole, and you do that on all sides, and then you're done with that part.
See that tricky again.
Yeah? Go play for a minute, I'll come over. You think you can manage this on your own, or do you need a hand?
Yeah, I can manage it.
So he's got the 2 long ends in first, and then those can stay in place while he gets the other corners. Not bad.
Put that in, and then you'll clip on the edges. A great thing about these poles is they don't have the covers over these things,
So it's smooth. It's smooth all the way down.
Yeah.
Right on. Yeah, it is nice.
So you don't have to worry about bending your clips, having to put it on those.
You don't have to worry about spacing and things.
So then on this side, you got the same kind of system here, and you'll stick that in.
Here, I'll get the other side, save you some time. Yeah, I'm doing it one-handed. That might not be. Yeah, let's see if I can do it. Got it one-handed. That's talent. There, that's all the way in.
Make sure you don't forget to clip the tops in. I almost forgot that part.
Perfect. It's a nice, taut, little lightweight backpacking tent.
So once you got it all set up like this,
Hang on, I'm
just
gonna back up a
straighten it
second.
out. Okay, and then, so you're pretty much done if there's no rain, but if there's gonna be rain, you'll throw on the tarp. Another thing I like about the tent is that it's got the clips all the way. Because in lots of other tents, it's got like these kind of loops in the fabric, and you have to stick it all the way through the loops, and it just gets caught and tangled, and it just doesn't work well. But with just clips, it's really nice and easy. Okay, so we got the fly mostly on. You kind of just lay it over, and then you clip in the edges.
Clip in the corners.
Yep. And they're
Hang on, let me get close on this.
They clip really easily in, and they're strong. So
and you can tug on that strap if you need to adjust it. Don't worry about it for now, but you can make it more taut if you want to. Okay.
And then, so it's got these little. Here. It's got these little loops at the end. You stick the stake in.
Stake it in. Let's not stake that one. I want you to stake over here.
And then it's also got 2 doors on the tent and 2 doors on the fly, and that's it's really convenient for that, because you don't really want to be crawling over whoever else is in there, especially with this closer.
Right. Yeah. So we're a 2-man tent here. So if you're both sleeping, it's good to be able to get out your own side, so you're not climbing over top of somebody else if you have to get out in the night. Okay. So there it is, staked out. Door zips right here.
Okay. Let's take it down.
Can I help you? Can I help you?
Sure.
Yeah, why don't you pull out the stakes?
Unbuckle them.
You guys pull out the stakes and give them to me.
Jeremy, get the other side and lift it up.
Jeremy is Tyler's cousin, and Joey is Tyler's little brother. They've been very interested in what's going on here. Okay, let's see here. Tyler's got a string trick that works really well for this kind of thing.
So you take the string, you leave just a little bit of it out, and then put the the rest of it underneath.
Right down the middle.
About like that. Then you roll it up.
This is like a simple trick, but then when you see it in action, you're like, why haven't I been doing this the whole time?
So then it's right at the end. You take this, you got the rest of it there, you tie it up.
It's already in place. And you're not fumbling around, not fumbling around trying to get the string underneath it and keep it all tight.
There you go.
All right, bag it up. It's a good sized bag. It's like just right that it fits it without you really having to wrestle with it too much. But at the same time, it compresses down pretty good as well. I get frustrated with tent bags that if you don't do it just right, it doesn't fit. Yeah, this is good. A little bit forgiving, but at the same time, packs down pretty small.
So that's the AYAMAYA 2-man backpacking tent. Final thoughts is it's a great tent. Definitely fits my needs, and I would definitely recommend it.